Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 3x and negative 3x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the second equation by negative 3. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 5y, and the right sides combine to 10. Divide both sides by 5. That leaves y equals 2. Use y equals 2 in the first original equation. Replace y with 2. The remaining x term equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 4. The solution is x equals 4 and y equals 2. It makes both original equations true.